This one has been one of the most requested recipes on our channel, and we finally decided it's time to give it to you. Today we're making authentic Shichimi Togarashi, a bold, aromatic Japanese staple that smells incredible and tastes even better. You can find all the ingredients and directions in the description. So to begin with, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Asian red chili flakes to my spice grinder. This is what brings that beautiful heat. And then, going right in with 1 tablespoon of lightly toasted, cracked Szechuan peppercorns. Use Sancho peppercorns if you can, but regular peppercorns will also work just fine. Next, I'm adding half a tablespoon of white sesame seeds along with half a tablespoon of black sesame seeds. Lightly toasted, super nutty, and they add such a nice depth. And then I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of dried orange peel. I just cut the peel into small pieces and lightly dry toasted them in a tiny pan over low heat just to pull out any leftover moisture before using it here. Then I'm tossing in 1 teaspoon of ground ginger just to warm things up a bit. Next, in go 2 roasted nori sheets, which bring that gentle umami that ties everything together. You can tear them up to ease the blending process. And finally, half a teaspoon of poppy seeds, just a tiny touch for texture and balance. Once everything's in, I'm grinding it all together. You can make it smooth or keep it a little coarse, totally up to you. Just let it blend until it reaches the texture you love. And here's your fresh Shichimi Togarashi is all ready. Vibrant and so aromatic. With about 6 tablespoons, you can sprinkle this over noodles, rice bowls, fries, ramen, and many more. By the way, if you're still watching, that means you're definitely into this kind of flavor. So go ahead and give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And make sure to tap that little bell so that you'll be the first to know when a new video drops. If you do not wish to use this right away or have any leftovers, this blend stays good in an airtight jar for about 3 months. You can even refrigerate this to keep that citrus aroma sharp. So I'm sure you will try this soon. And when you do not forget to let us know how nicely it came out by dropping a comment below.